Every time your phone rings, there's potential revenue on the line. But who's picking up that call? Who's answering your calls? The difference between a human receptionist and an AI-powered intake system isn't just about cost. It's about consistency, scalability, and conversion rate. As law firms across the country are discovering, this one decision could mean the difference between growth and stagnation. Let's break down what you need to know. The traditional law firm intake process looks like this. A potential client calls. They wait on hold. Eventually, a receptionist answers, if they're not already juggling another task. With an average hold time about 3+ minutes. Some basic info gets taken. Maybe they're told someone will follow up later. But here's the kicker. By the time you actually speak to that lead, they've already contacted 3 other firms. 76% of legal clients call multiple firms. You don't just lose leads because you're a bad lawyer. You lose them because they never made it past your front desk. 40 to 50% client loss during intake. Let's talk numbers. A full-time receptionist costs between $50,000 and $70,000 annually with salary, benefits, and management time. But the real cost is in missed opportunities. Human receptionists take one call at a time. They step away, they get tired, they forget details. Every dropped call, delayed follow-up, or bad intake equals lost revenue. For a mid-sized firm, that could mean $100 to $250K in lost business every year. Now imagine this. An AI-powered intake assistant that never misses a call. It handles unlimited, simultaneous calls with 0 hold time. It greets clients, asks qualifying questions, and books appointments in your calendar. It answers FAQs, handles multiple languages, and even documents everything inside your case management system. Whether it's 2 a.m. or Monday morning chaos, every client gets immediate professional attention. That's not just automation, it's a competitive advantage. Does it really work? Let's look at the data. The old way takes about 3 minutes average response time. But with AI, 7 seconds. The old way, inconsistent follow-up. With AI, 35% more leads captured. The old way, frustrated clients. AI, a 41% increase in client satisfaction. Clients aren't just impressed, they're relieved because they got fast answers, consistent info, and easy next steps, exactly when they needed it most. You might be wondering, isn't this work too personal for AI? What about the human touch? Absolutely. Legal matters are emotional. Clients want empathy. And here's the secret. AI doesn't remove the human touch. It protects it. By handling intake and admin tasks, AI lets your team focus on what matters most. Real relationships, expert legal advice. And today's AI systems, they're conversational, they're emotionally aware, and in most cases, clients can't even tell they're speaking to an AI. So the question isn't, can AI handle intake? It's, how much longer can you afford not to? Every missed call is a missed opportunity. Every delay is a client loss to a faster competitor. If you're ready to stop leaking leads and start converting more clients, it's time to automate your intake. Want to see how it works? Book your free demo now. And in the discovery session, we'll discuss all your details.
Manual intake is still eating up your team's time. It's time to modernize.